Mipam Kudik Mokpo Norokchana Kuramjari Ngak Mamanga Akoiki media ki through the rims ki stop singi misbehavior ki matangda aina pao se pajare anirak pajare madu paramatunda ai blood pressure asuk matik wang khalle that how and why they are misbehaving with our innocent, with our highly cultured people. They are not supposed to. Akoina kushi na hospital chat panatte. Akoina wara kanda chat pani upay laitra kanda chat pani. Aduga icha sing si loi num sine je icha ki tamakta koi di kathok chage laitara bani. Icha bo treatment ki tamakta pubiraga moina sumaina lawai machani aduni adani hairaga Kamna nung I taba feel to way I say really I am so sorry. I na kutakta akoy ki rims ki superintendent Dr. Sanjeev ka warish hare ga manganda khurme with my due apology I na khurme sir we cannot tolerate the misbehavior by the staff to our highly cultured people. Mana su promise to way ngasi mak pung ahum khaida already meeting ama fixed aurabani nakal animaki pauda lonani one side di toya adabri na ko chume mana aise ai aninge but from the innocent face of the patient party ai na khali sidi staff ki aran bani aina feel to way I may be wrong, so I have tried to contact Dr. Priyo Sakhi Maki Director of RIMS also Maki Ponzi Pauna de Mangonda Swaina Kuramaga Ma Monda action the Tona Launaba Akoina suspend we don't want. We want terminate Toraga Atay staff the su lesson wagini how to behave with the people, how to behave with the innocent and highly cultured people. They are not everything. Uchi ke mathak da haudong lai, haudong ke mathak da hui ke mathak da du lai. They are not everything. So we have to save the attitude, the culture, adu ki behavior of jam darkar lai. I am giving you one example. Akai ye Sanai Lai Bag na chum artist sing na koi na Sumani la sana ba Bombay chatto da. Akai shohar koiru si hai ba ki chat pani. Madhu the dukandar mana koi ki artist ta kitang misbehave to bajani Madhu oja tolanda hangiyo koi ki Hemanta do Lila tolanda aina car ma thengne lambida 3-star with a flag police ki car ni aina che laga hange ka naam DGP ne hai Maharashtra ki DGP ne hai aina chal laga mangonda khurmaga sir aina Manipur ke wari hilir kanda Ashok matek mana health away khutakta masamak lakana DGP na Madhu ki dukaan to chal laga close to chale dukandar do na kong paya no compromise mana hippa jatni akhoi ki khong da no Madhu yarwe akhoi praja de di God fearing people ni highly cultured people ni moi the misbehave I cannot tolerate, we cannot tolerate mashi aina soidana akhoi ki Sanjeev sahib very nice person ni aduka kuji ki director riba Lupi Dusho Magi husband to Dr. Rajanai ki amna Luna friend ni ai mangonda ki khong pai jana request hogani ya bo yadraga koi ki kareba koi ki Mansukh Mandaviya union kainone minister ni union health minister Madhu ki makhada kuji ki rimsi lai ba darkar re ai ma so hayang una na ba taurani soidana taurani aduka ashikuma staff we cannot tolerate ai oja Birendra so I request Jari please interfere. Such people should not misbehave with our people. Machine mayam da we cannot tolerate any misbehavior to our highly cultured people in this world. Attention jarage, thank you very much. God bless the patient. Maki angangsu yamsuna phaba oishano aduka ai naim phalak pakan namoi the strangani ai unagani aduga whatever akhoi help toba gamba I will go and meet their family. Thank you very much.